So while I was at Adobe MAX, thanks to Adobe Express, I spent some time exploring Firefly, and this was one of my favorite creative tools. Firefly is your AI-empowered creative brainstorming engine, but sometimes it nails it in just one prompt. I want to show you the prompt that I did that really sold me on the power of AI image generation through Firefly. Now, as you know, well, maybe you don't know, but Firefly actually supports a number of different engines, both from Adobe as well as from other leading companies. So I'm going to go with the Nano Banana image generation 4.3. There's more things I can do here, but very simple. I want to create a prompt to show, or an image to show social proof. In other words, when we see social media content that has a lot of likes and comments, it attracts us more to other content that has no likes or comments. So please create two images side by side. And this is for a presentation on user generated content that I recently did. One showing hundreds of likes and comments from an engaging human image. The other showing 0 likes and 0 comments from a boring object image. So we're going to press generate and we're going to see the magic. And this is done in real time. I'm not pausing it by any means, but you could see in just a few seconds. And there we go. This on one, we'll sort of zoom in a little bit here, if I'm able to. We'll see on, if you look closely, yes, there's some sort of weird things going on there, but that's okay. It's AI image. Overall, like as is, for the purpose of my presentation, this is perfect. So you can refine. I could go ahead and refine this result. I can upload a reference image. There's a few other things I can do here, but really everything that I need to imagine my next image and to brainstorm and to bring it to life is all in one place. And this is a tool made for creators. And by the way, I think we're all creators, whether we're a person, a business, what have you. So make sure you check out Firefly at firefly.adobe.com.